Hi friends, today I wanted to make a quick video about Veeqo. I have heard lots of chatter about this software and I wanted to check it out for myself because I think the best way to learn something is just to do it yourself, right? Not what other people say, check it out yourself. So I have seen this pop up in my Manage Orders tab on Amazon. Now, this software is for FBM orders, which I do not do a whole lot of. It's not how I want to spend my time, but I do a little bit of FBM. So I'm going to go over this really quickly with you so you can get the gist of it. It's really funny because I had heard lots of misconceptions and lots of people saying, oh, it doesn't integrate that well and yada yada. It does lag slightly, but not too much. And this is what it's going to look like when you log in. Now, if you can't find where to log into, I just typed in Veeqo in my search bar and it came right up and I was able to connect my Amazon store to this software. Veeqo is an Amazon-owned company and service provider. So you are getting the same shipping protection that you would get if you purchased shipping through Amazon's Buy Shipping. So that's lovely. And one of the coolest parts about it is that for the first 60 days, I believe, you're going to get a small rebate on the orders. Now, don't quote me, but I think it is a 5% rebate. I could be wrong. Anyway, so why not take advantage of this small bonus, especially in Q4, you might be doing a lot more FBM right now than you would the rest of the year. And here is a side-by-side comparison. On the left, I have the Veeqo shipping rate. What I really love about this is it automatically pulls the product dimensions. So I don't have to input that. It has the weight and the dimensions automatically imported. And you can see in this green lettering, it has $1.05 credit. That is the credit that we're going to get for using this new software. Now on the right, you can see that if I was to buy this shipping through Amazon, it would be the same exact rate. However, I'm getting a small credit, a $1 credit. Why not? I think that is wonderful. Another option that I want to touch on really quickly is Amazon shipping. Now, I know this isn't available in all areas. It is, however, offered to me. I haven't completed the sign up yet just because there's a glitch on mine where it says my pickup window is going to be 2:30 in the morning to 5 o'clock at night. Now, this is supposed to be PM, not AM. I've reached out to Amazon about that and they wanted me to hop on a Zoom call with them and all this stuff, which is wonderful, but I just don't have time for that right now because I'm so busy with Q4. So anyway, is this my last slide? It's not. Another point that I heard people asking is if you have your own, let's say, UPS account, can you integrate that with this software? And the answer is yes, you can. There is a tab in Veeqo for shipping carrier integrations. So if you have a FedEx account, a post office account, a UPS account, you can connect that. So I think that that is wonderful. I hope that this helps you, and I think that it's definitely worth trying out, but take advantage of the small bonus for the first 60 days of using it because it's very rare that we get rebates or credits on shipping services. And I noticed that the post office has increased their rates recently. And I think that this is a wonderful tool and a wonderful resource to check out and utilize. So if you have any questions, please let me know, leave a comment, like this video so I know that I'm doing a good job. And thank you so much for watching.